everybody doing today? It's Friday. I rarely get to hike on a Friday, but my work gave us everybody the day off today. So what do you do when you have a day off? You hike. So Charlie and I are out exploring today. We're gonna do 2 or 3 trails we've done before, but it's been a few years. So we're going back and gonna update the blog post, get some new pictures, and yeah, it's just too beautiful to not be out. Bunch of people down there fishing today. And our first destination today is the Spanish Fork Cross. And then the next stop will be the Grotto, which is kind of on the way up the Nebo Scenic Loop Road. And then from there, depending on how much time I have, I might do a 3rd hike. We'll just see how the day goes. So far, beautiful though. Here we go. We made it up to the Spanish Fork Cross in just about half an hour, and we kind of took our time taking pictures and just kind of exploring a little bit too, so you really could do this quite a bit faster if you wanted to. We're going to go back the same way and then go check out Red Knoll and see what that view is like. Come along. Years ago, it was all hiking trails. Now they're building bike trails with the nice curves and everything, so they're still doing construction on it, it looks like, but that should probably be finished any time soon, I would imagine. As I've been walking through this whole valley, there's trails everywhere now, and it says bike or hiking path, so keep that in mind when you guys come here. They've definitely changed it a little bit, but more fun for the bikers, I guess, now. This point is called Lookout Point, and I like the views better over at Spanish Fork Cross. The cross is right over there. This little green pole, at least for right now, is Lookout Point. And I like the other side a little bit better, but at least we got to see something new up here. So I happened to catch those bikers flying by just in time and then chatted with them for a few minutes, and they said is a brand new trail that they're building, and they were testing out one of the new runs, and they're also building a new section, I guess a little bit lower, for just hikers. So there's new trails for both bikers and hikers, which is cool. Makes me happy. Okay, so we're here walking over to our next destination, the Grotto Waterfall. You can see I'm walking on road right now because the gate is still closed. It doesn't open until May 15th. So I think it's gonna make our walk about 1 mile to the actual waterfall. So hopefully this will be an easy walk.